We are at 3118 Nob Hill Road in Lakeland, Tennessee. This one-car garage, number 100, is included with this condo. Let's go inside. Here we come up to the living room. Pretty awesome fireplace. All right. Carpet's got stains in it, but that's a pretty cheap fix. You can get some new carpet pretty cheap nowadays. Kitchen. All the appliances minus the refrigerator stay. Does not stay. Here is your pantry. Here we got the sunroom, office, second living room kind of space. All right. Back porch. Yeah, vegetation, no big deal. Nothing a weed eater and a lawnmower can't fix. All right, now we got the half bath. Here's your half bath right here under the stairs. Pretty nice half bath. Hallway closet. All right. We have a stair chair ramp kind of thing. If you could use this, great. If not, it should be pretty cheap to remove and then to fix the carpet underneath. Let's go upstairs. Here we come up to the master bedroom on the right. Here's the master. There is a balcony. Here's the master bath. Right here you got toilet, bathtub, double vanity sinks, huge walk-in closet. More view of the balcony. Pretty big backyard. Here's the furnace. Here's the water heater. All right. Got a linen closet right here in the hallway. Linen closet. To the right, we got another full bathroom. Laundry closet. Second bedroom. And the third bedroom. All right, now going back down the hallway. Outside, this is as you can see, a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath in Lakeland, Tennessee for $175,000. Can't beat it. All right, if you're interested in buying 3118 Nob Hill Road in Lakeland, Tennessee for $175,000, give me a call at 662-642-1458.